Last lesson linked two tabs inside the same file. IMPORTRANGE goes further. It pulls data from a genuinely different spreadsheet file entirely, one that might belong to another team, another department, or someone else's Google account altogether. It's incredibly useful, but the very first time you use it against a new source file, it does something that looks like a bug and isn't. Let's set up a separate source file first, so we have something real to pull from. Open the Active Sheets menu, choose Rename, and call this source tab Q1 Report. Then add region and revenue headers, and 4 rows, north at 45,000, south at 38,000, east at 52,000, and west at 41,000. This separate URL represents data that could be maintained by another team, exactly the situation IMPORTRANGE is built for. Now open the destination file. Clear its disposable import area, then select Y1 and label it Imported Q1 Report. In Y2, type =IMPORTRANGE, open parentheses, the source URL in double quotes, a comma, then a range string containing single quote, Q1 Report, single quote, exclamation mark, A1 through B5, all inside double quotes. Press Enter and select Y2 again. Instead of data, it shows a #ref error. This isn't a typo or a broken formula. The first time this destination connects to that source, Sheets waits for explicit approval as a security measure. Select Y2 again. A small card appears explaining that the formula needs permission to connect these two spreadsheets, with an Allow Access button. Click it. Within a moment, the error disappears and the actual data spills in, north, south, east, west, and their revenue figures, pulled live from a completely different file. This approval is stored for this source and destination connection, so additional IMPORTRANGE formulas from the same source in this destination work without asking again. This connection isn't a one-time copy, it's live. Switch back to the source file, select B2, North's revenue, and change it from 45,000 to 60,000. Press Enter. Now switch back to the destination file and select Y2. North's revenue there has updated to 60,000 as well, with no reauthorization and no manual refresh. IMPORTRANGE recalculates the same way any other formula would when its source values change. Let's recap. IMPORTRANGE takes a source spreadsheet URL and a sheet and range string. Because Q1 Report contains a space, its name is wrapped in single quotes inside that range string. The first connection from a destination to a source shows a #ref error with an Allow Access prompt. That's expected, and clicking it once authorizes the connection. After that, the import stays live and updates when the source changes. Any further IMPORTRANGE formulas from the same source in this destination use the existing authorization. In the next lesson, we'll protect sheets, ranges, and cells so carefully built formulas can't be accidentally overwritten.